Hi everyone, today I'm at the Nelligala International Buddhist Center. The shrine that's behind me, you can find the bone relics and the hair relics of Lord Buddha. This is one of the main highlights. This is the statue of God Saman, one of the gods who is celebrated or who is worshipped by the Sri Lankan culture. There are so many stories around God Saman as well related to Buddhism, and he is one of the most respected gods by us Sri Lankans. This complex is also the home for a bow tree that's taken from the Sri Maha that's in Anuradhapura, Sri Lanka, which is a branch taken from the actual bow tree where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment.